Hey guys, what I want to do is make a series of videos showing you different products that are out there for cleaning an airgun barrel. As you can see in front of me, there's quite a selection, and I don't even think this is all of them, but this is some of the more popular styles that are out there. And I just want to show them to you in this video to kind of give you an idea of what's coming up. And then once I get into the series of videos, I'll take each style individually and go over how to use it, pros and cons of using it, and then I'm also going to cover, for example, can I use it with the barrel on the gun, or is it better for me to take the barrel off the gun? In most cases, straight up, it's going to be faster, easier, and allow you to get a much more thorough cleaning with the barrel off the gun. But that's not always an option, so I'm going to cover both ways. I'm going to go over some of these products right now, just to let you know what I have in front of me. Also, some of these products were given to me by retailers, so I could show them to you guys so you could make an educated decision. Alright guys, so starting on the right hand side of the bench, I've got a bag of Dewey patches. That comes in a kit from Airguns of Arizona that includes the Dewey rod, some cleaner degreaser, all of the attachment parts. The cleaning rod itself is about 3 feet long, and it's a hard metal rod, but it's coated on the outside with some type of coating to protect your barrel. Hidden behind the Dewey rod, I've got a wooden dowel. I'm not just going to go over commercially available stuff, guys. I'm going to go over stuff that you can make yourself. This lead remover by Birchwood Casey, I tried this out recently and it really removed a lot of stuff. So I got to give a shout out to this stuff here. Standard patches, firearms and stuff like that. Right here we've got our cleaning pellets by Beeman. This here is another homemade type of cleaning thing you can do. You might notice the fishing line sitting here. That's another cleaning method. Ballistol, it's a nice cleaning agent. Coming down this end, provided to me by SPAW, Southern Precision Air Weapons, is the patchworm kit. It comes with caliber specific plugs, and it's this green line here, and crown saver, which is, this is the end of it with the yellow, and these are pull-through methods. The crown saver has this T-handle on it right here, nice soft rubber coating on it, and it's a nice system overall. And this last one here is a Napier pull-through with a Kevlar loop. It's another pull-through system with a swiveling handle. The Napier pull-through did come in a kit. It came with a bunch of little blue colored patches and the pull-through cord, but I misplaced the box, so I can't show you that. Sorry guys. Little word on patches. These are nothing more than cotton fabric that's cut up from like t-shirt seconds or something like that, that it just gets cut up into squares and then sold to you in a nice convenient little package. You can easily buy this and do that, or you can make them yourself. You got an old t-shirt you're about to throw out, or donate or whatever. If you need some patches, you want to custom make your own size, something along those lines, just cut up the t-shirt and use it. Now I've said it before and I'm going to say it again, the most important thing you can do when you get the latest and greatest brand new rifle that just came out from the retailer and it's shiny and there's not a speck of dust on it and it's perfect, clean the barrel. I don't care, clean the barrel. I won't go into the details of why, but it is absolutely imperative that you clean the barrel, even on a brand new gun. If you've got a used gun that you just got at a bargain, clean the barrel. First thing, before you even take it out and start shooting it, I know it's tempting, clean the barrel. Alright, enough of a soapbox. That's pretty much all I've got for you guys as far as cleaning methods go. There's two major styles that are out there. One is a rod, the other one is a pull-through. One that kind of falls in the middle, I guess. The third style is the shoot-through, but I use those with a rod. We'll get into that later on. So guys, if you're interested in any of these systems, again, I'm going to give a shout out to the companies that provided me these to show them to you so you can make a good decision. AoA, they've got a great selection. Southern Precision Air Weapons, they've got a good selection as well. Stay tuned for a video coming up in the next couple days on one of these cleaning styles. As always guys, thanks for watching and happy shooting.